In this first tutorial, we will take you through connecting a VPU to your on-PC or console setup. So first of all, we bob into our setup menu, MA Network Control, check all the settings in here, the correct version of software, the correct IP. We're running a 127 address because we're connecting on the same machine, but you can change the IP in there. If you do change the IP, you will need to restart your machine or your console, but for now we're going to continue to run this on the 127. We give it a session name, we give a session ID, and then we click on the create session. You'll then see up here we've got the ID, our session number is 1, name of our session, and we're connected. It's all green. Bob over to our VPU, click on the network tab. Here you can see our machine that's not connected at the moment, the IP, the software version, etc, etc. If you do need to change the IP, just click into the IP tab there, select which one you need. We're running the 127 as I said, so we'll just click OK and then OK out of that. Once we've done that, we need to go in and patch VPU into our show. So we go setup, patch and fixture schedule, give it a layer of VPU, and then search, filter down MA lighting, VPU. In here you can see we've got a camera, the layer, and the master. You do need to patch at least one camera, so we'll go in and patch that, leave everything as defaults, click apply, then click into here. We're going to patch 2 layers, so we'll change that number to 2 and then leave that, click apply, and finally patch a master. You don't need the master, but it is quite useful sometimes, so we'll add that in there. There we are, we're all patched. You now just need to connect the VPU to the on-PC. To do that, we go into our setup menu, we click on network connections, just check our on-PC settings, it's all green showing we're running, and the IP there. Then we click on the VPU tab, just click add present and you should find that your VPU appears, and we're going to say yes to being a session member, and we'll give it the layer, it's the name of the patch layer we just created. And you can see there it's all green, so we're all connected. We bob across to our VPU, we've got our 2 layers, our master and our camera all there. If you bob down to the bottom of the screen on the VPU setup, you've got the heartbeat, green heartbeat, showing you that you're connected, the name of the show, teaser mode yes, IP and version, DVI and PM, we'll explain in a moment. CITP we don't need. Now the DVI and PM stands for the DVI or pixel mapper. In teaser mode you can only run one or the other. So we go up to the top of the menu, click on render and say render pixel mapper rather than DVI, and you'll see there that you've disabled your DVI. And if we look down the bottom of the screen now, we can see that that's swapped over. So for the purposes of what we're doing now, this is what we need. There we go, we're all patched and we have a connection to VPU. So there you are, you're now connected to your VPU and ready to explore some of the options with adding fixtures, placing content and playing it back.